Mastering time. Understanding, run out of time. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you've probably heard or even used yourself. Run out of time. This phrase is not only popular but also a critical part of conversing in English, especially when discussing deadlines, schedules, or any time-sensitive matters. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you master it in no time. The phrase, run out of time, means to have no time left to complete a task or activity. It implies that the time available to do something has completely finished or expired. This can be due to various reasons like procrastination, underestimation of the required time, or unforeseen delays. Understanding this phrase is crucial for effective communication, especially in contexts where time management is essential. Using run out of time in sentences is straightforward. It often appears at the end of a statement or as a reason for not achieving a goal. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. We ran out of time to finish the project, so we'll have to request an extension. I wanted to visit the museum, but we ran out of time. During the exam, I ran out of time before I could answer all the questions. Notice how the phrase seamlessly fits into different scenarios, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. While using run out of time, ensure not to confuse it with similar phrases that have distinct meanings. For instance, out of time could imply an action is no longer relevant or possible due to time constraints, without the element of running out. Also, avoid using it in the wrong tense. Remember that ran out of time is the past tense form and running out of time is the present continuous form, indicating the action is currently happening. To truly grasp the phrase, practice using it in various contexts. Try creating your sentences or engage in role-playing exercises with friends. Discuss scenarios where time is a crucial factor, such as cooking, taking tests, or completing tasks at work. This hands-on approach will help solidify your understanding and increase your confidence in using the phrase. And that's a wrap on Run Out of Time. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, usage, and nuances of this common English phrase. Remember, mastering a language is all about practice, so don't hesitate to use run out of time in your daily conversations, writings, and observations. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language learning journey. Happy learning, and never run out of time for practicing your English skills.